Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you? Just tell me. After a long time, I am seeing you, I am watching you, and I am meeting you on the Skype platform.
Yeah. You are right, sir. I'm very happy to see you. So we are meeting first, long time. So I'm also very happy. So, sir, very good evening, and how are you?
Yes, very good evening. I am fantastic. I am fine, and I am fantabulous, and I am doing everything well. Just tell me about you. That how are you? How you doing today? And how your work is going on today? Just tell me. I will love to listen your work.
Okay. Thank you. So I'm very happy, and thank you very much asking for this. And my practice is going on very well. And about my job, about my, you can say, work, everything is going on, sir. So what about you?
Yes. My practice is also going on just like you. I think that from the last 1 month, I have when I met you, just you told me that you are a teacher and you are teaching inside a private school and you are English teacher. Am I right or not? Just
Yeah,
tell
yeah,
me. Just tell me.
yeah, yeah. You are absolutely right. So I will introduce myself. So before going to introduce, thank you very much giving me this opportunity. So as per my introduction, this is Prem Singh Rawat from Uttarakhand district, Pauri Garhwal. My development block is Nainidanda, and I belong to Tehsil Dumakot. Right now, I'm connecting with you from my born and brought up place. I'm a blazer, you can say. My blaze is Deoldar. And about my job, I'm English teacher. Already you mentioned that. And regarding my qualification, I am B.Ed and postgraduate in English. My native language is Hindi. My regional language is Gadwali. About my positive personality traits, sir, I am very optimistic and soft-spoken person. If I talk my negative personality traits, so I am simple and I can't bear any kind of indiscipline. That's it, sir, from my side. So please introduce yourself. It will be better to know for new viewers and learners.
Yes. Good to hear your introduction. Your introduction was very captivating, and after hearing your introduction, I became very happy second time, and I think that you are living in very wonderful places in Nainital. You mentioned that, and you are from Uttarakhand, and I am very happy because I heard from the Uttarakhand that Uttarakhand is the only places where pilgrims and other travelers generally go to visit there after after getting tired and after getting some so I can also want to visit your places, and your places means Nainital inside the Uttarakhand is very famous places in all over the world. Foreigner also going to your places to watch the to watch the beauty of nature because this is only places in Nainital in Uttarakhand the beauty of nature you can see, and all the
Yeah,
natures looks beautiful.
yeah. You are absolutely right. But my exact place is not Nainital. I'm, district Pauri Garhwal. But Nainital, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Gangotri, Yamunotri, Tihari, Masuri, Dehradun. These places are famous here.
Okay, I
Tourist
know very well
places.
that. Yes. Haridwar is also famous for Shankar Bholenath, and also I know that Nainital is very places because in Nainital I think that Sardi and winter season fog and a lot of moisture, mist, and fogs are available, and ice is also falling from the hill, and nature looks very beautiful, and everybody is looking the ice season. So nature looks very
Yeah,
beautiful, and everything looks very beautiful in the your area.
yeah. You are right. If you will visit in Nainital in every season, so you will look there different. If you will visit in winter season, so you will look there, snow falling. And if you will visit in summer season, so you will get cool water over there. And so Nainital is suitable in to visit in every season.
Yes. And I can say that different season have different looks. If you will visit to the summer season, so you will watch different nature in the Nainital. If you will go to the Nainital in the winter season, so you will look different nature even in the winter season after going to the Nainital. And even in the fourth season and all the time, they look very beautiful, and they are also charming places.
And my area is, this state, Uttarakhand, is 90% surrounded with mountains and hills, and you can say forests, and it is too much close, Himalaya.
Yes, I know, because Ganga is a very holy river, and they are just coming out from the Himalaya, and Himalaya is very near to the Uttarakhand and Uttarakhand district, and Uttarakhand state is very famous for coming out of the Ganga river, and Ganga river just comes from the Himalaya Parbat, and Himalaya Parbat is from Himachal Pradesh, and between the Himachal Pradesh state and the Uttarakhand Pradesh, and Himalaya hill is just spreading all over the Himalayan region and the Uttarakhand region also.
Yeah. Ganga river origin place is known in Uttarakhand, Gangotri. Yamuna river origin place is known in Uttarakhand, Yamunotri.
Yes. But you know very well, my dear sir, that just first of all, they just entered in the Uttarakhand state, and the farmer of the Uttarakhand state just take advantage of Ganga river very much.
Yeah. Ganga river, and Haridwar is near the Haridwar city is near the Ganga river, and we recall our ancestors, and this is the new year going on. So in this month, January, upcoming 14th January, we will visit Haridwar because due to Makar Sankranti, and we will recall our ancestors there.
Yes, and you know very well, sir, that when Ganga river comes out from the Himalaya Parvat, this is very pure. But that time in Uttarakhand, people just get pure water from the Ganga river. But when they enter to the UP state, so the Ganga river is getting more and more polluted this time.
Yeah, because overcrowded area Ganga now, because it is tourist place, foreigners also visit there. But Uttarakhand government are taking good steps regarding the cleanliness of Ganga river.
Yes, because Ganga river just coming out from the Himalaya and just entering to the state of the Uttarakhand firstly, and after that they reaching to the UP state, and after that they reaching to the state of Bihar, and after that they going to the Jharkhand, and after that they going to the Bengal state, and after that they mix in the Bay of Bengal. It means that they mix Ganga river just meet to the Bay of Bengal in the sea, and their name and fame just disappear from after meeting to the sea.
Yeah. You are right, sir. You are right. So, sir, please introduce yourself, because it will be better to know for new viewers about you.
Yes. I forgot introducing my to yourself and in front of you. And this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you. I am connecting from Bihar, and I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher, and my graduation is complete. And this is all about me.
Okay. So you are which place do you belong, sir? Which
yes,
state?
I am from Bihar. I am connecting from Bihar. I am speaking from Bihar, and my district name is Jamui. I am a village boy. My father is a farmer. I am also a farmer, and I am also a tuition teacher. I teach class student of 9th and 10th. I teach mathematics and science. I don't teach English.
Okay. That's great, sir. You are doing nice job, and you are from Bihar. So our first respected president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, also belonged to Bihar.
Yes, I know very well about that. The first president of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was from our state, and she was belong to the Siwan district of Bihar.
Yeah. And second thing is that, Gaya is famous over there. Gaya, I think, is the district, and because Lord Buddha got enlightenment under the, people tree over there in Gaya.
Yes, I know very well that Buddha, Gautam Buddha, who was a very good preacher in all over the world, and he was born in Vaishali, and I think that Nepal, Lumbini. He was born in Nepal, Lumbini, not in Vaishali, and after that they left the house of his parents, and after that his child name was Siddharth, and they just left their house, his house, and after that they move here and there. That person Buddha went every places, and for getting peace, that where people can get this, where people can uh, get more and more peace, but there was no place they find there where they can get peace. But after that they went to the Gaya, and they just sit down, they just sat down under a people tree, and they got knowledge about the peace, and they gave a lot of preach, they gave a lot of preach to the people of India, to the people of world, that they just told that what is the main problem of getting sadness. Why today people are getting sadness, why today people are getting more worry about, there are only one answer they got, they found out the answer, that there are desire, there are only desire, that if you will having a desire, so you will get.
Yeah, you are right. If we will, if we will reduce our desire, so we will become happy. But due to desire, every people are suffering from, you can say, lots of thinking and worries and like this.
Yes. So just they gave preach about the sadness, and they gave answer the problem of the sadness. Why today people are getting much worry, getting much tension, and getting much sadness, what is the reason? So they found out the reason behind it, that some people are getting tensions, getting greediness.
Yeah, you are right. And he got enlightenment under the people tree over Gaya in Bihar. But after getting the knowledge, after getting the enlightenment, he preached in Banaras, the part of UP, in UP, the Banaras. He gave his first preach over there.
Yes. But But after getting knowledge from the under sitting to the people tree in the Gaya, they just went to the Banaras, and Banaras is very near to the Gaya, and I think that 100 kilometer and 1500 kilometer is far from the Gaya. That district means Banaras, and there were a lot of students of the Buddha where they live in the Banaras, and they just gave preach to the their student who is living who was living in the Banaras.
Yes, you are absolutely right. So,
And
sir, have you been there?
their main, and I am thinking that their main student was Anand. Anand was very famous in India, and Anand was the first student of the Buddha, and Anand was also very brilliant, and they was just like the Buddha.
Yeah, you are right, sir. So, have you been, District Buddha? Have you been there?
Yes. In childhood, when I was in class, class 8th class, my father went to the Gaya, and I was with my parents, and I also went to the Gaya when I was in my 8th class, and I was going with Gaya with my father that time. But it is about 20 years before. I am telling about the story of 20 years before. 20 years before I went to the Gaya, but if you will go to the Gaya this time, so everything is changed, because that time there their religion was very much strong, but this time their religion people is just lying